What's up, people? Welcome to season 2, episode 5 of the FTMO challenge. Wait, scrap that. Wait. Scrap that. It's no longer the FTMO challenge. Now I'm calling it the road to max capital allocation. So now my goal isn't to pass the FTMO challenge because I passed it already. Now the goal is to get to max capital allocation. What does that mean? Well, I want to get to 400k quickly. So 400k is the maximum amount of capital you can be allocated with FTMO. Right now I'm on 200k. And on the road to 400k, I'm going to see how fast I can get to 400k and then potentially take on another prop firm to get max allocation for them as well. So the road is to really, I'm trying to get to a mil, but obviously I want to do it in increments. So right now it's to 400k. So as you can see over here, I've got a whole series of videos. This is just episode 5. If you haven't seen episode 1 to 4, I'd recommend you watch them and just get a feel of where I've been and how my journey's been going so far. But it's going really well. So without further ado, I'm going to go through where I'm at right now with the challenges and what I could do to reach that target that I'm trying to reach. So without further ado, let's go. Hi guys, it's Any, aka the NocTrader, your friendly neighborhood FX and crypto trader. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. Sorry guys, it's going to take me a while to get used to saying FX and crypto instead of saying swing, so it took me a couple of takes. So before I get into my FTMO dashboard, I want to show you this Excel that I created. I believe I showed this to you in the last video, but in this video, I'm just going to show you an extra tab that I created. So this is what I'm trying to achieve. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. These are all the different funded programs I'm potentially going to take. FTMO, funded trader, the prop trader, Ment FX. I was going to do my Forex fund, but they have a cap on how much lot size you can trade for the first 3 months. I don't really like that, so I might not take them. But leave in the comment section below what prop firms I should take, what challenges I should take for the prop firms, and I'll look into them. Right now, my focus is FTMO. Max capital allocation is 400k. Right now, I've secured 200. With the funded trader, the max capital allocation is 600k. I haven't done any of that yet because I'm still practicing how to use MT4. And then you got the prop trader, max capital allocation is 500k, and you're allowed to use EAs. So I might try and pass that with the EA, with the Power EA that's run by Darren Hill. If you haven't seen my videos where I've interviewed Darren and we go through how to use his EA, I might use that to pass that test instead of just trading it myself. And then obviously you got Ment funding, which is run by Ment FX. And the max cap is actually 1 mil, to be honest. But yeah, but I might take the 400k test because the 1 mil test is like it costs like 7 grand. It's quite expensive. So but you never know. So here on the right hand side is kind of it's the current status of my the accounts I'm trading right now. I've got 3 accounts running. Now, as you know, I passed both the challenge and the verification for the 200k account. So I should get my live account within the next 2 weeks or so, by January, because I'm still waiting for the 10 days. On account 2, I passed the challenge phase. I'm waiting for my verification phase. Verification phase should start on the 20th of December. So I still got a couple of days to go, because as of when I'm shooting this is 17th of December. So. And then my third account. Now, I'll go into this a little bit more later, but I failed it. I tanked my account. I was up 6%, got a bit excited, and then I tanked it. So I started a new challenge, and I'm down 5% already. So it's one of those things. I can still think I claw it back, but I feel like because of the period we're in, like quad witching, end of December, low volume, weird markets, it's not the best time to trade. So I don't know. I don't think I should have done that third test now, but I'll just manage the account, try and keep it above break even and see what I can do. If not, I'll just get a repeat challenge of this account. So once I complete all of those, then I'll move on to another prop firm. Now, I want to pose it to you guys. Please put in the comment section below what prop firms muddling my words. What prop firms should I trade? FTMO, most reputable one. That's why I like them. But I want to choose one that allows me to swing trade as well. So maybe I want to hold positions over the weekend. That's why I like the funded trader. And you can trade news, so you don't have to think about news trading. So I might use my FTMO for my intraday scalping, and I use the prop trader or the funded trader for hold long-term trades over the weekend, etc. So but yeah, leave me in the comment section below which ones you think I should take next. Right now my mind is on either Ment funding or the funded trader, but I'm not going to think about these until I get max capital allocation with FTMO. And as you can see here, if you get max capital allocation, all of these, you'd be trading with 2.5 million. That's a lot of money. I don't think I'm really going to reach there, but you know, reach for the stars, you might hit the moon. So my focus is FTMO right now. All right, so let's get into it. So we got a couple accounts to look at. First of all, I'll show you the verification account. Nothing really to phone in home about. Kind of what I said before is happening. I passed it in the first day, as you know, or was it the second day? I can't remember. Yeah, first day. And I've just been micro-lot trading. Right now I'm on day 8. So I still got 2 more days of micro-lot trading to before I get my live account. So yeah, nothing really much to say on that one. So I'm going to skip these 2 for now, and I'm just going to go straight to this. We're going to cover those 2 in a second. Then we've got the 100k challenge account. Once again, passed that verification second day. Went down 2k. Second day, passed it. And micro-lotting as well. Got 2 more days to get to the 10 days. Yeah, so nothing really to phone home about this one as well. Once I pass this one, then I'll have to obviously do the verification stage, and then I'll hopefully get 300k secured. So now over to the last 100k account that I did. So what happened was, here's the one that I failed, and here's the one that I'm in now. So it's not really looking too good, but I don't know, I think I got a bit overexcited, because if you look at this, I was up 6k in the first day. Then I thought, I think, do you know, I'm gonna hold my hands up high. In the interest of making these videos as salacious as possible, I wanted to complete it again in one day, so I could say, yeah, I completed the first one in one day, second one in one day, third one in one day. So that was what was playing in the back of my mind, and I got a bit excited. Not excited, but I got a bit too aggressive with the trades. Like, if you get to 6k in one day, you should probably just call it a day, close out your positions, and then the other 4k you can get pretty easily. I didn't do that. I was so bent on, okay, let me pass this all in one day, that I kind of I over traded, and I tanked my account. And it wasn't even over trading, because I could trade quite a lot and still be positive, but I was just picking setups that I shouldn't have taken, because I was really, in the back of my mind, I was thinking, yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna make a great video again about how I passed in one day, and that was the wrong way to approach it, and I tanked the account basically. I just made bad trade after bad trade, trying to claw it back, and yeah, it wasn't even in one day. I was up 2k. This one was 6k. Then I went down to 2k, and then I just consecutively was just losing. There was no excuse. It was bad trading. I'd never trade like this on a live account. In all honesty, in those days when I was trading these ones, I probably wouldn't have traded at all. I just would have done nothing. But I think it was because I wanted something to document for this channel, and I got a bit excited. So yeah, tanked that account. Oh well. So then I just bought another one. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. I just bought another one. I thought, nah, I want to get I'm trying to get 400k by the end of January, but I shouldn't have bought the other one straight away. Like, I'm even having, I'm feeling bad about it. So I've hidden that one, because that one's lost, and I bought another one today, and yeah, it's not a great day. Got down. I thought I saw a good position, but to be honest, today is quad witching. Well, today I'm shooting this is Friday the 17th of December. It's quad witching, so there's lots of rebalancing going on in portfolios. A very choppy market. Last quad witching of the year as well. So it's just lots of things going on. To be honest, I shouldn't really trade it today. Once again, down 4k. That's fine. I could claw it back. What I think with this account I'm going to do is that I might not trade it unless I see an A1 setup until January, because right now, this intermittent period between the week leading up to Christmas, the week between Christmas and New Year's, and even the first week of New Year's, it's a bit of a funny time to be trading. It's just funny. I like to wait maybe a week and a half into the New Year's, where things are settled down, before I start trading again. But knowing myself, I'm a bit of a degenerate. I'll probably find something to trade. So I'm gonna leave this account. Once I pass my verification account for the other 100k, I'll focus on that. But if I see an A1 set up, then I'll come back to this one and I'll trade it. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm gonna leave this account for now. We still got quite a lot of time. We got to the 15th of January. I'm more than happy to not trade this account, or even just to claw it back to break even, so I can get a retry, because there's no rush. I'm pretty confident I'm gonna get to the max capital allocation by the end of January, and that's the goal I've set for myself. So I don't know. To be honest, this is an internal thing. I don't know why I'm rushing it. I think I got a bit excited because I was on the roll and I was just smashing the accounts, but I had to take into consideration the time of year it is and what the markets are like right now. And so tanking 100k accounts already happened. I don't want to tank this one, so I'm just going to be slow and steady. If I see a good setup, I'm going to take it. But I'm also going to reduce my lot size on these ones back down, because I trade in like 500, so which is 0.5%. I might bring it down to even 0.25%, so it's $250 that I'll trade per trade. So if I can get 2 10-hour trades, that will get me back to break even, and then I can strategize from there. But I don't really, this account I shouldn't really be focusing on right now. I've got the verification account to pass, so that's what my main focus is gonna be on. And once I pass these 2 accounts, consolidate the accounts, and then find another prop firm to pass. And obviously, while I'm passing the other prop firms, I will be trading this 400k account in the background and just building up equity, so I can scale up. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm not going to do any breakdowns today because there wasn't really any good positions out, and as you can see, these were quite bad, and the positions I took, they weren't great, to be honest. So when I have something good to show you, I'll show you a breakdown. But right now, I'm just giving you a bit of an analysis of where I'm at with my challenges. So yeah, I hope you guys found this useful. It's Any, aka the NocTrader, signing out.